Hello guys, my name is Babu. Today I ordered to cartridge color. So that is the used to SP scanner. Okay. First of all, I'm unboxing this the box, and I'm also broken this package. You can see this product. Yeah, this only one product, and this one whole empty cartridge. So I remove to this one. Okay, this one new, and this one whole. That means empty cartridge. So I will replace this one new. I install to this new cartridge. Install already done. Okay, so I running to the machine. So you can see how to look up the Xerox copy. So okay, this one copy, and you can compare and the original and the uh, copy. So this one copy, okay, and this one original copy. Thank you for watching.